Input resistance 645 ohms. That means there is something short circuit at input side. In this circuit there was high voltage strike. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Friends, welcome back to my channel. Delta Electronics 24 volt power supply, model number PMC-24V300W1BA, Delta Green Tech, Netherlands. Let's connect power and we will see what's wrong here. I will apply power using series lamp. If you don't have good experience in electronics, never try to repair, because here are unisolated live voltage. I connected supply using series lamp, but there is no indication on the series lamp. AC input voltage 235 volt, but no output. Let's open it. Here is bent on the body, that was causing to not to open this one. Never touch any component, any PCB area until we are confident that there are no voltage on this capacitor. If it is charged, discharge it properly using any capacitor discharging kit, any lamp. DC voltage, no voltage. The visual condition of the board is looking good. There is no soldering. This capacitor's top surface is clear. There is no swelling. But this capacitor has swelling. This capacitor has swelling. It is bulged. It is 400 volt capacitor. If it is damaged, we must verify these diodes that are for standby circuit. Diode, okay. Okay. These diodes are good. Verify fuse. Fuse, open circuit. Let's make jumper for testing. Yes, it is open circuit. That is this fuse. This fuse only for testing. Yes, it is open circuit. Input resistance 645 ohms. That means there is something short circuit at input side. Yes, this MOV is short circuited. Yes, this is damaged. This is the problem. When any circuit is exposed to high voltage, there is any high voltage strike, or maybe there is some lightning strike, that time this MOV protects the next circuit. 1.1 mega ohms, 1.2, 1.3 mega ohm, good. Now our next problem, this capacitor. Let's remove it. .2 microfarad, 400 volts. .45 nanofarad. This capacitor gone. I have this 6.8 microfarad capacitor. I will install just for testing. I will connect it externally. Diode, good, good. Red lead at capacitor positive terminal, black lead at negative terminal. Okay. One diode, good. Power MOSFET, drain to source. Let's connect power now. Yes, the lamp is flashing. That means PFC circuit is started. DC voltage 390. That means PFC circuit is working good. Let's check output. Yes, 24 volt, 23.97. That's great. In this circuit, there was high voltage strike that caused to damage its 400 volt capacitor for standby section, MOV, and MOV caused to damage this fuse. Now I will arrange this capacitor, MOV and fuse, and this power supply is restored to a good working condition. If you enjoyed this repair process, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.